Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing of a new beginner's calligraphy set that I just got. I'm pretty much completely new to calligraphy. I've never done it before in my life, and I wanted to try it out as a way to expand my art skills. And I've seen some videos on it. It seems pretty enjoyable, and I'm going to make some videos on primarily shorts of me trying out calligraphy. And my first video idea is going to be doing math symbols, just a quick short video, and I'm going to try to write it in the neatest handwriting possible. So anyway, I got this calligraphy set. It was just 20 bucks on Amazon. I have linked it in my description. And as you can see, I just put down my Math is Art mug. This is a product available on my YouTube store. Design is made by me. It's a pretty simple design. I don't have a lot of experience with design, but I just wanted to make a pretty simple, basic design. So that's that. So we're going to be doing some unboxing of this set, and stay tuned for my short videos, for my shorts, where I'll be testing out the pens and seeing how it writes. I took the tape off, but I didn't open it. If I could get it open. Yeah, okay. So let's see how it looks. So it's kind of like a cool little box they got. It includes 5 classic nib grades, 4 classic style calligraphy pens, 16 ink cartridges, and a pump for bottled ink. Again, I have linked this in my video description. So I included the affiliate link, but I also have some other products that in my storefront, some affordable and quality art products to check out. And I do earn on qualifying purchases, so just wanted to make that known. So let's open it up. Oh wow, it's a nice sleek little box here, setup here. They got plastic covering. Here is one of the pens already ready to go. I think you just have to put the ink in. So I did watch a video on this. You just have to screw this out and then take one of these ink cartridges, and then with this facing in, you basically just push it in and then seal it back up. I think it takes some time for the ink to actually get through, but they have a cap for the pen that they have already displayed. They have 3 other pens in different colors. They have several other tips with different millimeter size. So this is the 0.7 millimeter size. You got the 1 millimeter size. We also got the 2.0 millimeter size. and a 2.5 millimeter size. Now I'm not exactly sure what this is, but I did just realize that underneath there's an instruction booklet. So it comes in, different languages and shows you how to work the pens and things like that. I'll get into that later. I won't go through the whole thing right now. We got all these different colors. You got orange or a yellow, orange, green, purple, blue, and black. And I did forget to mention as well that there is an exercise booklet. So just for doing some calligraphy and, basic um, pages to write on, draw on. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Stay tuned for more videos on actual writing of the pens. Just gonna assemble everything back. So, as I said, I am a complete beginner with calligraphy. So, I won't be showing you actually how to do it because I don't know how yet, but it should be fairly simple. Um, you know, so stay tuned for more art videos and math videos. Um, as I've stated, I'm trying to combine the two, math and art. So my first idea for this is to make a video where I draw different math symbols and make that a series on my YouTube shorts. So there you have it. That's your Artworx calligraphy pen set. It's $20 on Amazon. I've linked it. I've linked my affiliate link in the description. You could also check out my Amazon storefront, which has a bunch of other art supplies and math supplies that I recommend. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.